Welcome for my channel. Ayan, nagawa ko ng chicken guys na may rice. Okay. So, yan guys. Onion, garlic, at saka cinnamon stick. Rowlet, garlic. Ayan guys. Prito ko na guys. Cumin, seed, cloves, salt. Yan, pinakuloan ko na guys. Lagyan ko ng tubig guys. Ayan. Cardamom, cinnamon stick. Ayan guys. So yan, kinuha ko na yung ano guys, yung chicken. Tapos in-screen ko, strain ko na yung tubig. Tapos ilagay ko na yung rice guys. Ayan. Napakasarap niya guys. Ayan. Pakuluan lang natin guys. Takpan yung So, mag-fry na tayo ng chicken. Hindi ko na pala binedyo na guys yung fry guys, onion. Ayan, lagyan ko ng paprika, black pepper, salt, yogurt. Ayan. So, wala kaming microwave yan guys.